Keep watching to see how we turn these ordinary pumpkins into the cutest little sloth in like 5 minutes. You do not want to miss this, so keep watching and stay tuned.
What a wonderful world.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am the activity author and I'm here to bring you some more craft ideas for Halloween. So first, before we get into it, hit that like button and click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you know every time I post, okay? Thank you so much. But this is gonna be so quick and easy and awesome, guys. We turned a pumpkin, yes, ordinary pumpkin, into a sloth. Now, I don't know if you saw the video I just posted before this where we carved pumpkins. That was my first time carving a pumpkin, y'all. And it turned out great. I think it turned out great. No, it really did. Check out that video. Click the card up top. Check out that video. But you saw how we cleaned the pumpkin off real quick before we started to paint the pumpkin, and then I told you I will show you how it turns out in the next video. Well, here is that video. So today we are continuing off our decorating pumpkins for the holiday season. I had the kids paint the pumpkin. I got this kit from Dollar Tree and I decided it was time for us to make this sloth. So that is what we're doing. So have your kids paint the pumpkin, the entire thing. We didn't have the colors that they had, so just use whatever colors you got. It really don't matter. Your sloth can be any color you want it to be, okay? So have the kids paint the pumpkin, let it dry fully, and then I'll show you how to assemble the rest. Super, super simple. Stay with me, guys. So it's the next day. Ooh, this pumpkin kind of heavy, but it's all dry and it turned out so nice. Look at that. A 2, 3, and a 5-year-old. Who would have thought? Anyway, so now that you got your pumpkin dry, it is time for you to assemble it. And this is the simplest, easiest step. All you're going to need is a hot glue gun, and you're going to need that packet I showed you right here. So in this packet, it has all the supplies you see here. And what you're gonna do is you're just gonna hot glue all the pieces on the pumpkin and then you're done. That's simple. Seriously, it's that simple, guys. So just watch me and I'll come back at the end and we'll chat some more. And just like that, we are all done. Look how cute. See, I told you didn't even need the same colors. And if you don't have a hot glue, y'all can use double-sided foam as well. I believe it'll work out. So this is our pumpkin, and we are gonna take him downstairs to decorate the front of the house. And that is how it's done. That is all for today's video, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video showing you guys how to make a sloth pumpkin. I'm gonna be back on tomorrow. I'm gonna drop another video showing you guys how I do my Halloween costume. So if you're really curious to see what I am for this Halloween, stay tuned. I'll see you guys tomorrow on my next video. Bye.